So now we have all 5 of our clips in here. This is called a sequence now. So anytime you drag individual clips down and you assemble them together in the timeline, it's called a sequence. All right, so to play your sequence, you want to look in the program window. So remember, your program window is kind of like your final thing. When I said the pizza kitchen, it was like when you put your pizza on the plate, that's what it looks like. This program window is the same thing. And notice below it, there's controls here to play. So you can do that to play your video and see what it looks like so far. If you want to rewind it, you can do that. You can also just move your playhead through. This is called scrubbing. So when you grab the playhead and you move it yourself, that's just called scrubbing, which is generally the faster way to do it. You can also use your J, K, and L keys. If you press L, it plays your video. If you press K, it pauses it. If you press J, it rewinds it. If you press the key twice, like if I press L and I hold it, it goes really fast, and then K can stop it. So those are other different ways of navigating through your sequence.